Hey y'all, it's Kenzie and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. It is finally October. I can't believe it. I'm so excited. You know me. My favorite holidays are, Halloween and Christmas and also my birthday. But Halloween, of course. As you can tell, I did a little bit different. I decided for the first Halloween look for October, I decided to dress up as little Wendy darling. This is like the best outfit and the weirdest I've ever looked. Like, I'm so used to my black eyeliner. This is the lightest make. I know I said that about my Maximum Ride last year, but this is the lightest I've ever done. It's like, who am I? For real. So I'm going to show you how to do this light makeup look, the easiest look. It's not really that hard. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy and I'll see you at the end. But before we get into it, if you're new to my channel and this is the first time seeing my face, hi, I'm Kenzie. You should really hit the subscribe button down below and click that bell, the post notification, so you get notified every time I post a new video every single week. As you guys know, October is my favorite. I'm going to be trying to do like a spooky horror book review every Tuesday and a makeup look every single Friday, so you don't want to miss out. Now without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, I am moisturizing my face, or mainly priming my face with my Pure Pore-in-1 Correction. I'm going to put everything that I use in the little down bar below, because I can't remember them all the names at once. And then of course I take my Maybelline Dream Urban Foundation. This is my favorite one. I've always used. It's very full coverage. And of course you can go with like a lighter shade, because I know Wendy in the cartoon is like very light. But I'm kind of doing a rendition of the live action Peter Pan and the Disney cartoon Peter Pan as well. So you can go a shade lighter if you want to, because this is like the second lightest shade, I want to say, in the shade range. I know it's crazy. I live in Florida and I'm still very pale. Anyways, I'm making sure I blend it all in and there's nothing wrong with it. Next, I take my concealer, my Maybelline concealer, and as you can tell, I put it in the brightest points, like under my eyes, my forehead, under my chin, and then of course I decided last minute to do a little bit on my cheeks, you know, just to give it some dimension, I'm guessing. I don't know, I just did it last minute. Of course, I blended away with my beauty blender. Next, I'm taking my Airspun powder. I've been doing the same recently. I know it's not new, but baking underneath my eyes, a little bit on my forehead and chin, and then of course dusting it away with my big fluffy brush, and of course setting the rest of the powder all over my face, and of course making sure I'm all blended in. And then of course I take my Hoola bronzer, and I went a little bit crazy on the forehead. Like I was saying, I wanted to give Wendy a little bit darker look, because I know Neverland, it has a lot of sun, I want to say. So I only put a little bit on the cheeks and the jawline, and the nose, I kind of did like a little cartoonish nose, but not really. I just put on the sides of my nose and a little bit on the bridge, and then blended it out more with the beauty blender to make it seem seamless. Next, I take in my blush. I should have gone for like a darker one, like the Adeline Art Tarte X palette, but I didn't. I used the Maybelline Coral, and I used a lot of it because, you know, a lot of Disney characters have a lot of blush. Next, I take my Wet n Wild highlighter, and I'm lightly, just lightly, guys, going on my cheeks, a little bit on my nose, lip, and of course my chin, and I'm blending it away. I'm not trying to give too much of a highlight, because I know in the movies all the actors are not trying to be so blinding. I did my brows off camera using the Anastasia Brow Wiz. It's my favorite. Next, I cleaned it up with a beauty blender. Next, I am using the Tarte Toasted palette. I'm using this light shimmer shade, and I'm placing it onto my lids, because I know Wendy doesn't have a lot of like shadows on her face, so I'm just going very, very light. Next, I'm taking the brown shade, light brown shade, and putting it in my crease just to give it a little dimension. Next, I'm taking the Maybelline eyeliner, and I'm putting it in my waterlines, and oh my gosh, guys, this actually did wonders. This actually worked pretty well. You can also use black, but I love the brown. It gave it more of a natural look. Next, I'm using my L'Oreal Voluminous mascara. This is like one of my favorite mascaras of all, and of course I put about 2 layers of it, and as you can see, it did wonders with my eye and non-eye. So I did the other eye off camera, and you can see it did pretty great. Next, I just highlighted my brow bone, and then I took a lip liner This is in the NYX Brunch Me. I've used this so much lately. This has been my favorite nudish kind of lip liner. And then for the lipstick, I found, I think about a while ago, I found this NYX one. It's like a reddish pinkish one, and it was the perfect color for the Disney character, the cartoon for Wendy, and I just lightly put it on my lips. Next, I set it all in with my setting spray. Next, time for the hair curling process. I set my hair really quickly with the Tresemme heat protector, and then I use this curling iron that I've had for a while, and I use it as a wand. And then of course, I just, as I'm using, I only place it on there for like a few seconds, and then hold the hair up there for a few seconds as well to give it some curl and wavy dimension, because my hair is a little bit wavy, and I straighten it and I try to give it a little bit more curl to it than normal. And as you can tell, it's going to take a while, so I'm going to do the other side off camera. Next, I'm going to set the hair all in with this Tresemme hold curl, and then of course I ran my fingers through it, and it made it very strong and sticky, and I just fluffed my hair a little bit. Next, I'm going to be taking this blue hair tie that I got from Francesca's, and you can see me, I'm struggling. It is hard to put, I don't know how I said put like that, but to put like a hair up with it curled, and I'm trying to do a half up, half down, and then of course you can see me struggling because the bow kept moving a lot, and when I finally got it, it didn't really, you know, sit very straight, but it worked pretty well. I loved it. I kept moving it around a lot throughout the day, but that is the look. I love it very much. That is how you complete this little look. I'm so excited, so excited. I'm so excited. I got this blue little cute dress from Francesca's. It's like so cute. Any blue dress can do. This is just really cute. And then of course I got the little bow in the back of my hair. I also got that from Francesca's as well. And to complete the look as well, you can even have a necklace. I don't have my necklace on today, but I do have a necklace with my name in Disney form. You could also wear a thimble. I just didn't have time today. And then of course, to complete the look, you guys need some little like little booties, or right now I'm wearing like my normal flats that I normally wear for work, but I also do have these blue sparkling slippers. Let me see if I can find them. I have these little blue sparkling slippers that you can wear as well. My grandma got this for me for Christmas years ago. She got them at the Hallmark store. I don't know if they're still there, but just cute little accessories. You can even find these on Amazon as well, probably. And then of course, we can't forget a little stuffy. I know I think it's Michael, the youngest brother, is the one with the teddy bear, but you can accessorize with any animal you want. I have Peter Rabbit and a little bear here, and that completes the look of little Wendy darling. But I hope you guys enjoy. I am gonna head off to Neverland, guys, with Peter Pan. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give her a big thumbs up, because you know that's very helpful. Tell me down below what you want to see next. All my social media will be linked in the little description below. You know, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all that will be down in the little doobie box below. And like I said in the beginning, guys, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below or right there. And you want to check my last video, it'll be right there. I love you guys all so much, and I'll catch you very soon with a brand new video. Bye, guys.